I'm Claudia of Genna Tours, and today we are going to bring you to San Sperate. This is the town of the mural paintings and the daily life of the Blue Zone people.
Can an entire village become a canvas? In San Sperate, walls aren't there to divide, but to tell a story.
We are in front of one of the most famous murales over here in San Sperate. As you can see, it's a perfect, beautiful mask, okay? We call it the sardonic mask, thanks to the fact that, as you can see, it has a really strange smile. Now, follow me to see a couple of more mural paintings.
San Sperate isn't just a village. It's a social and artistic experiment that began in the 1960s. Here, the community decided to transform its rural identity into an open-air museum. Being here with Genna Tours means entering homes and meeting those who live art every day.
During the tour, we even see some Campidanese houses. These are houses that are very important because they date back on 1700.
If you are looking for a Sardinia that knows how to excite it, San Sperate is waiting for you.
Genna Tours is a tour operator in Sardinia. We specialize in private tours and we created customizable experience just for you.